Hi everyone, here we've got LG Q6 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on the general. Now let's enter the security and scroll down to the credential storage. Here we have to enter certificate management and at the very bottom we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the content, so let's tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then probably you will be asked to enter it in order to confirm. And as you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.